Hey there, welcome back to Endless Food Pod channel. Today we are making delicious crispy samosas from scratch. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's boil some potatoes until they are nice and tender. Once they are done, peel them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Set these aside for later. Now let's prepare the flavorful filling for our samosas. In a pan, heat some oil and add a spoonful of cumin seeds. Next, toss in finely chopped onions and green chilies. Sprinkle in some turmeric, finely chopped coriander and a blend of aromatic spices. A teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Fry these until they are fragrant. Now add in boiled potato pieces. Squeeze half the lemon into the mixture and mix everything together. Let it cook for a while, allowing all those flavors to melt together. While our filling simmers, let's prepare the dough for our samosas. In a bowl, combine refined flour, salt, garam seeds, oil and a teaspoon of ghee. Mix everything well before kneading it into a dough as shown in the video. This step will give our samosas perfect crispiness. Now knead this mixture by adding water gradually to a tough dough. Now comes the fun part, filling and shaping our samosas. Take a portion of the dough and roll it out. We do not want a perfect round puri. We make an eclipse shaped puri as shown in the video. Let's cut this puri from the middle and take a slice of puri and again roll it as shown in the video. Now apply some water to a side of puri, then seal it and make it like a cone as shown in the video. Then fill it with a prepared potato mixture. Again apply water to the edges. Then fold and seal the edges to form the iconic triangular shape. Repeat this process until all your samosas are ready to fry. It's time to fry these beauties to crispy perfection. Carefully place these samosas into a hot oil, ensuring it's not too hot to avoid excessive bubbling. Fry them on lower medium heat until they are golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. Freshly fried crispy samosas are ready to be devoured. Let's fry some green chilies for that extra kick to serve with samosas. Once done, sprinkle some salt. Serve them hot with your favorite chutney or dipping sauce and our spicy chilies. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!